See, I was thinking about going high on my left side.
But that flex looks good on the front.
It does, don't it? Yeah. Even back here, but on the front even better.
Put it low, you reckon?
Well, that's what I was thinking, but
trying to build it up, I guess. You ain't got everybody flipping over, I don't think. I got it recorded just in case. Just in case. Locker kicking in.
Which one?
The rear one.
Rear?
See how that back tire's slipping right there?
See, now they all, on the side-by-sides, they all went to the right, but
Yeah.
I don't know if we can do that.
Oh, he's got it.
I don't think he can get that ditch. Oh, he's going to try to come out of it now. I was going to stay in the whole time, I guess. This will be interesting. So he's going to slide too if he ain't careful. Force that front tire.
You can tell how low tire pressure he's got.
Interesting when it our handles right now.
This is better than the other one already.
Oh, this is already better, yeah.
He's gonna drop back off right there.
I was gonna say, look, you got Mike telling him one way and Dylan telling him the other way.
He ain't listening to Mike.
Look right there.
Golly, it drops straight off, don't it?
Yep, it's pretty good. Look, his backing's going off too since he's cutting that way.
Yeah. I hate to come back up this.
Oh Lord, see? And I don't know if Mike and them's thinking about that. Of course, we might be able to go through the woods, maybe get back
Yeah.
up.
Look at that thing flex.
Front end looks unreal right there.
Get up there and he's like, I'm bored already.
Who said
Get
that?
up there and play on that stick.
Yeah. They would be. They're riding. Get up there driving. It's like, oh crap. What have I just done?
My butthole's a little tight.
Yeah. What have I just done? What am I gonna do?
That spring didn't pop out, did it?
Oh, you know it may have. His does that from time to time.
It's caught too much flex.
Yeah, sure.
He's got it.
Got her whooped. And when it lays back down, it won't be no problem. So this is what it's all about, man.
Yeah, his spring popped
Oh
out.
yeah, it's all the way out. Hope mine don't do that. I don't think mine has
They can
that
put it
much.
back on though.
Yeah. Usually there's a retainer or something though that you gotta.
If your thing pops out, can you still steer? You should be able to.
Yeah, that's just your suspension or whatever there. God, get your hand out of there though.
unreal how much it
That
flexes.
is. Look at that. That front end just right keeps on going.